This Ancestral Apothecary seed kit offers an impressively broad collection of 40 heirloom medicinal and culinary herbs, from familiar kitchen staples to classic remedy plants. All seeds are non-genetically modified and open-pollinated, making them well-suited for anyone interested in long-term self-sufficiency and seed saving. The included varieties support a home herbal practice with plants that can be used for teas, soothing salves, infused oils, and aromatic bath blends. Seeds arrive neatly sorted into individual labeled containers, which makes planning, sowing, and tracking different herbs far easier than dealing with flimsy packets. The reusable wooden chest feels sturdy and gift-ready, turning the kit into a thoughtful present for gardeners, home cooks, and herbal enthusiasts alike. With herbs that tolerate containers, raised beds, and windowsill planters across a wide range of growing zones, the kit works well for both beginners and more experienced growers in many climates.